All right, guys. Here we have another themed cake. This cake is themed under construction. So, and it's for Rylan, his second birthday. Ordered by my classmate Tori. So, of course, you see that it's a tractor, and they have the belt, of course, on it. The little cabin right here is on a tilt. You know, the driver can always move that. Got your caution, your stop sign, your dirt on it. Your do not enter, your cones. The inside is strawberry. That's a cake. The middle is cake. Cabin right there is cake. And that's a cake over there too. Alright guys. Davis Cakes. Get at us.